What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another day. Friday today. It'll be a good day today, I think. There's lots of opportunities in the market, and yeah, there's some clean ranges for us to look at. So this will be an interesting day. There's actually some trades we can look at as this 30-minute candle closes. So let's see what happens here. But I've marked out my levels already. We can see GJ, we have very bullish daily. Okay, we do have news coming up for GJ, GBP retail sales, orange folder, so it will have an effect on GJ, but it won't be too big, I don't think. So let's see where this closes. We can see we have clean candles to the left here, and that's about a 40 pip range. Okay, so we've already created a bottom wick on the hourly and the 4-hour. Okay, we have a nice rejection here, so let's see what happens. If we break down here as well, we have a range to breakout, so we can take sells, or I can take sells at the break of this low. Okay, so that's GJ. Gold right now, we'll see where this closes, but what I'm looking at here on gold is essentially we have we've created a new low right here. Okay, and now we're coming back. You can see the previous daily closed bearish, so this could very well be a top wick. 4-hour closed bullish, but now we're coming right back down. Hourly, we'll see where this 30-minute closes, but maybe we could wait for a 15 closure below here. But we have closed back in range now. Yeah, so we have just closed back in range. So potential fake out here. Let me just look at this 30. 30 closed bearish as well. We have a nice rejection here. And we have 40 pips, 47 pips down to the bottom. So the main reason I like this is because of the daily. Okay, the 4-hour, we can see we created a low. So yeah, I would have liked to seen this 30 close more bearish. Okay, because let's look at how big are the stops here. 30 pip stop, so it's quite a big stop if we break these lows. But we can see we came back, created resistance. What I would, it's one of those ones where I would have liked to seen the 30 close a bit more bearish, potentially back below these levels. But yeah, it's not the worst, is it? Hourly, nice top wick, 4-hour top wick. GJ close below. Okay, so yeah, let's see where this goes. If I take this, I'll definitely go a bit lower lot size because it's quite a big stop, 30 pip stop. It'll be at the break of this low. I would almost prefer a bullish 15 close and then a break back into these areas below here, just because it's such a weak 30-minute closure. It's pretty much a doji candle, but yeah, see, like, sort of similar situation here. Price came down, we created some resistance, and then we came down again. So yeah, it's an interesting setup. Let's see where this goes. It may even be worth just to wait, because a 30 pip stop, let's see. But yeah, definitely lowering risk on this because it's quite a big stop. But let's see. So yeah, probably half risk. So if you lose this, only minus 15 pips, and you could potentially gain something like 25-ish pips. Created a top wick 30. It's quite safe stops, so let's just see. But yeah, lots of opportunities today, I do believe. There's some clean candles everywhere, as the title suggests. And yeah, we got GBP news at 4 and Euro news later on. So we got to watch out for that. GBP at 6:30 my time. And then US dollar. So quite a lot of news as well. But for now, I think we'll be alright. Let's play some good music today. Yeah, we can set it up in a bit. Just want to see what these candles do now. What sort of music do you want, sucker? Let us know in the chat. Lovely day here in Sydney, as always. Can we take buys at the break of this high? Yeah, so technically you do have range 1, range 2. Oops. We look here, range 1, range 2, but it's not even a clean range really above here. You got 19 pips. I'd much rather just wait for above here for buys on gold, considering the daily. And sells, if we look to the left, we can see clean range below here. We got about 35 pips. This range is too small. It's only 10 pips, so we just wait for the breaks below. Synthwave Big Juice. I don't even know what that is. Oh, I get it. Genre is synthwave. Your music is big. Your name is Big Juice. Oh, right, I get it. Right, so we pretty much just filled this range on GJ. So we try to take it now. We got 10 pips. We have no bottom wick on the 30. So yeah, it's just a lower probability setup. And you got news in 15 minutes. So I'll just wait for GJ. Because we can wait for buys above here potentially, can we? Or we can wait for a retracement and then a break above again. Let's see what gold does here, because we've created a nice top wick now. We could also wait for the hourly to close. But let's see. Right. So just want to see what this 15 candle does. So we only have 3 minutes to it. Right, guys, I'm going to have sell stops right here at half risk. At the break of this low. Yeah, about 30 pip stops. The reason is simply because we have we have 15-minute fake out. Okay, we have a daily bearish candle. We have 4 hour creating a low, then coming back. We can see a nice top wick on the 4 hour. 30-minute, we've created resistance by forming a bearish candle. And 15-minute, we can now see if we break this low, there's a very good chance we can continue down. Okay. So yeah, in terms of where we're going to go break even, probably around here. But yeah, not in yet, not triggered, just got the sell stop active. 6 pip to break even. Yeah, I was talking about this yesterday, but when the overall trend is down, so like today, we can see overall trend is down. There's a good chance that that lows are going to be lows, which means they're going to be retested, okay? And highs are likely liquidity grabs and fake outs. And that's just the way trend goes, okay? Like for instance here, you can see price comes back. We have level of resistance right here. These highs are likely to be liquidity grabs, not new highs. which means that price is going to come down and retest the lows. Same thing here. Highs are likely going to be liquidity grabs, and then we come back. So yeah, this is based on the 30-minute candle. Okay, so if this 30 doesn't sort of come down, then we can make a new plan. But I will see if this 15 closes bullish. We may wait for a 30-minute closure. So there's the 15-minute closure. Happy with that. We've created a top wick. We just have to be careful because the hourly is closing in 15 minutes. So if we get in here, I won't be too hesitant on going break even if it pushes down. Other thing we can do is if this 15 sort of just chills out, we can just wait for a break back below these levels. When I say we, I mean me. You should not just copy these trades. Looking for buys across Japanese yen pairs. Alright, so yeah, as this 15-minute goes on, I'm thinking just wait for the hourly to close. Yeah, guys, I'm just going to wait for the hourly to close here. So, yeah, sell stops deleted. And the reason is, obviously, the hourly's got to come down even if it comes down, it's got to create a bottom wick, okay, so it's likely to come down, but then it's going to come back up, very likely to create a bottom wick. So you may as well just wait for that to close, and then you can potentially take a wick fill or something like that. So yeah, technically you can take, or we can look at buys above here, but it's only a 14 pip range, so yeah, I'm just gonna wait for above here. And GJ has just smashed through. Okay, so we're coming up to the hourly closing. This does not look bad, does it? Yeah, definitely just gonna wait for GJ news to come out. How big is this range? Yeah, I think we'll just see what happens with GJ. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait here. If it goes, so be it, but just gonna wait. Watch this just shoot down, yo. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the hourly. That way it'll be an hourly fake out. It'll be an hourly support for resistance formed after a low being created, and we have very clean range. 3 minutes. I mean, how much could it move in 3 minutes? Touch wood. And when this new hourly opens, we will have to create a top wick. So yeah. Two minutes till closure. Yeah, so you can see nice fake out. Nice 4-hour top wick. Very good chance we're going to come down. Fill this range. GJ continuing to push. Let's have a look at GJ above here. This is too small to take. Okay, let's have a look. I think these are all-time highs. Not all-time highs, but new highs that have not been hit for a very long time. Yeah. So technically, yeah, we can look at buys above here. We've got 50 seconds till closure. We got an hourly fake out. We have not really a fake out, but 30-minute support resistance created. We got 45 pips down, 15-minute. We got to break back into these levels. This looks decent. But yeah, I do need to wait for an hourly top wick to be created here before we push down. Oh, that's great. Oh, that's annoying. Let's see. I want to at least get back to these levels here around 1915.6, but we're looking pretty jumpy, so we're just gonna wait a minute or two, see what happens. Lots of volume in the market now, so yeah, just got to be careful here. As soon as price starts jumping around like that, it's a time just to chill out, not get a FOMO or anything, just see what happens for a bit. Okay. So we are now creating a top wick. The only problem we have is this thing came down and created a wick, which is very annoying. We could potentially still take it on the flip. Right. Yeah. So same as before, we're going to have sell stops at the break of the previous hourly low. And yeah, I'm going to go half risk because it's quite a big stop. It's not ideal because we have that we had it wick down first, but I think that was just a bit of a jump around. 1915.10. So nice top wick. If we can reject these areas now, that'll be good. Even if we close bullish here, we could look at just a break below and then a continuation. But yeah, this could take its time, and that's absolutely fine. We just gotta be patient. Aggressive stops, you could technically put it above the hourly high, but for me, when price has, because it could still push all the way up and then still come down, so yeah, I'm just gonna use the high over here. Pretty much 4-hour highs, yeah. yeah, I'm half risk here, so really the only loss we get is a 15 pip loss because we'll have a 31 pip stop. Friday, up for the week, you know. It's not that it's a lower probability trade, it's just it's a big stop and it's Friday, and I really don't want to take a 30 pip loss on Friday. I'd rather take a small win. But it's just another trade, you know? Wherever this goes, if we even get in, it's just another trade. But yeah, based off of, it's pretty much a 1 hour resistance formed. So it's a 1 hour low created, we come back, we form resistance, we break the lows, good chance of continuing down. Oh, not in yet. Almost. Okay, we're in a position here. Entry is 1915.110. Stops are going to be 30. Oops. So just about 31 pips above these highs. If we get a closures back above these ranges, we'll look to manage. But let's see how it goes for now. It's a bit more of a, not longer term trade, but it's, we'll see how it goes. Quite low risk though for me. In terms of where we're going to go break even, it'll probably stay at these areas. It's a bit hard because it's such a clean range. There's not heaps to go off. But yeah, if we get a closure back above here, that's fine because this is a 1 hour trade. Okay, so we'll see how we can manage risks. But yeah, if we start pushing back above here on the 30 and stuff, that's when we'll manage risk. Yeah, well, I don't know what's going on with my OBS, but the stream is so glitchy. I don't know what it is. Like, because I did a Wi-Fi test and my Wi-Fi was fine. Um, I changed my settings, like I made sure it was the right settings, so I don't know what it is. To be honest, maybe I'll end the stream early because I was looking at it on my phone before and it was almost unwatchable. So I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I don't know why OBS keeps, or YouTube, maybe it's an issue with YouTube or something, I don't know. Because like I tested before and it works completely fine, and then I do it here and it just doesn't even, barely even work, so I don't know. It's tough to go break even here, isn't it? Because there's no real levels to look at. It's almost just like a bit, you got a level here, but it's 5 pips. May just go break even there. Yeah, so sorry about the stream. I'm not sure why it's so glitchy. I'll try to get it fixed for next week. So if we get a 15 closure that's bullish like this, that'll be perfect. Because then if we break the lows, there's a very good chance for us continuing down. Because then realistically all it is a 15-minute breakout. Because you have support right here. If you get a 15-minute closure below, then you just get a 15-minute breakout. Yeah, this was taken based on the 1 hour.